Today we'll be working with a company called Curlsqueen. They sent me so many goodies. They also sent me a frontal and 2 bundles. Now, I did not think the 2 bundles would be enough, but surprisingly, the bundles were enough. They were so thick. I've never seen bundles this thick, this luscious, and I'm telling y'all, like, thick from the top to the bottom, you guys. So 2 bundles was enough, surprisingly. I cannot wait for you guys to see this frontal sew-in. This is like a different style that I've never done before. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sending me this hair and sponsoring today's video. I will also leave the hairstylist down below. I was been supposed to get this video out, but you guys, it was so hard to find a hairstylist that does frontal sew-ins that would allow me to record. So this video is long overdue. Thank you to Curlsqueen for understanding and being patient. You guys, Curlsqueen actually has some clip-ins that I want to try, but I don't know. We'll see. Y'all let me know down below if you guys want to see me try some clip-ins from Curlsqueen. But we're just starting off with a ball cap method, and then she is going to go in with like this black net. I don't know, you guys. I haven't had a sew-in in years. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This style was a little different, something I usually don't go for. I do have an Instagram reel coming out about this hair and this style. So hopefully when you guys see it on Instagram, you guys, you know, show some love, show some support. But yeah, I am 100% satisfied with the quality. Even the girl that was doing my hair, she was like, oh my God, these are some thick bundles. I'm like, yeah, girl, I know. So the bundles are really, really nice. The hair was already like silky straight before we even put a flat iron to it. Like, we didn't even need a flat iron the hair. That's how straight it was. But you guys will see. I don't want to talk you guys' head off because this video is quite long. So I'm going to play music for the rest of the video. Thank you again to Curlsqueen for sending me this hair and also sponsoring today's video. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Business man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young on the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird, shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. Something on hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no sherm. I'm in the deal with P. Litty, QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Yeah.
Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 60 lip. I just wanna rock. I just wanna. I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you gon' feel my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my side. Kick them sides. and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5.
Project,
this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in and giving time. Personal problems till the talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit sleep divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun, no one that they wrecking my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. Something on hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no sherm. I'm in the beat with P. Litty. QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make the spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Project,
this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 60 lip. I just wanna rock. I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you gon' feel my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my side. 2, 3, 4, so up to 5. That's my heart. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, so up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project,
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Allen, turning in and giving time. Personal partners still a talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I